SAP UI5 Fiori Online Training Learn from Experts Trainer by Proexcellency. Introduction. SAP UI5 Fiori is a user experience (UX) framework developed by SAP, a leading provider of enterprise software solutions. It aims to provide a consistent and intuitive user interface (UI) for SAP applications across various devices such as desktops, tablets, and smartphones. SAP UI5 Fiori follows modern design principles and offers a responsive and personalized user experience, enabling users to access and interact with SAP systems in a user-friendly and efficient manner. Benefits of SAP UI5 Fiori: enhanced user experience. SAP UI5 Fiori provides a consumer-grade user experience with intuitive and role-based UIs, reducing the learning curve for users and increasing productivity. Increased productivity. UI5 Fiori apps offer streamlined workflows, allowing users to complete tasks quickly and efficiently. It eliminates unnecessary steps and simplifies complex processes, leading to improved productivity. Mobile access. UI5 Fiori apps are designed to be responsive and support various devices, enabling users to access SAP systems on the go. It facilitates remote working and provides real-time access to critical information. Personalization. Users can personalize their UI5 Fiori launchpad by arranging apps, creating favorites, and setting up personalized dashboards. It allows individuals to tailor their workspace according to their preferences and work requirements. Simplified processes. UI5 Fiori apps focus on specific tasks and provide a simplified, role-based approach. It enables users to access relevant information and perform actions efficiently, reducing complexity and improving user satisfaction. Understanding the SAP UI5 Fiori architecture. The SAP UI5 Fiori architecture consists of three main layers. Presentation layer. This layer includes the UI components that deliver the Fiori user experience. It comprises Fiori apps, the Fiori launchpad, and the UI technology used to build the apps, example, SAP UI5 or SAP Fiori elements. Application layer. The application layer contains the business logic and data services required to support the Fiori apps. It includes SAP Business Suite or S/4HANA as the backend system, which provides the necessary data and processes for the apps. Infrastructure layer. The infrastructure layer encompasses the technical components that support the UI5 Fiori environment. It includes the SAP Gateway, which enables communication between the front-end and back-end systems, and the SAP Web Dispatcher, which provides load balancing and secure access to UI5 Fiori apps. Key components of SAP UI5 Fiori. UI5 Fiori apps. These are the individual applications that provide specific functionality and are accessed through the UI5 Fiori launchpad. UI5 Fiori launchpad. It serves as the entry point for UI5 Fiori apps and provides a single point of access to all applications. It offers a customizable and role-based interface for users to launch and organize apps. SAP Gateway. It acts as the middleware component that connects the front-end UI5 Fiori apps to the back-end SAP systems. It handles the data retrieval and submission between the two layers. SAP UI5. SAP UI5 is the UI development toolkit used to build Fiori apps. It provides a set of libraries and controls for creating responsive and feature-rich user interfaces. SAP UI5 Fiori Launchpad, Overview and Navigation. The Fiori Launchpad is a web-based interface that serves as the central entry point for UI5 Fiori apps. It provides users with a unified view of relevant applications and business information based on their roles and permissions. The Launchpad supports various navigation and organization features such as styles, catalogs, groups, and search functionality, allowing users to access apps and content efficiently. SAP UI5 Fiori apps, types and categories. UI5 Fiori apps can be categorized into three main types. Transactional apps. These apps enable users to perform specific business transactions, such as creating sales orders or approving leave requests. They have a task-oriented design and focus on completing a particular task or process. Analytical apps. Analytical apps provide users with real-time insights and analytics based on data from the back-end systems. They offer interactive visualizations and customizable dashboards for data analysis and decision-making. Factsheet apps. Factsheet apps consolidate relevant information from multiple sources and display it in a comprehensive and easy-to-understand format. They provide a quick overview of business objects, such as customers or products, and offer links to related apps and actions. SAP UI5 Fiori Design Principles and Guidelines. SAP UI5 Fiori follows a set of design principles and guidelines to ensure a consistent and intuitive user experience. Some key design principles include role-based. UI5 Fiori apps are designed with specific user roles in mind, providing them with the information and functionality they need to perform their tasks efficiently. Responsive. UI5 Fiori apps are built to be responsive and adapt to different screen sizes and devices. They provide a consistent user experience across desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Simple and coherent. UI5 Fiori apps focus on simplicity and clarity, reducing complexity and cognitive load for users. They maintain a consistent design language and layout across applications. Delightful. UI5 Fiori aims to provide an enjoyable user experience by incorporating modern design elements, such as visually appealing graphics, animations, and personalized interactions. SAP UI5 Fiori implementation approaches. There are three main approaches for implementing SAP UI5 Fiori. Full scope implementation. In this approach, an organization implements a complete suite of SAP UI5 Fiori apps to cover all relevant business processes. It requires significant planning, configuration, and development efforts but provides a comprehensive Fiori experience. Co-deployment. Co-deployment involves implementing selected UI5 Fiori apps alongside existing SAP systems. It allows organizations to leverage Fiori benefits for specific processes without a full system migration. System conversion. System conversion involves migrating from an existing SAP system to SAP S/4HANA, the next-generation ERP system. It includes activating the UI5 Fiori apps and configuring the UI5 Fiori Launchpad as part of the migration process. Configuring SAP UI5 Fiori apps. SAP UI5 Fiori apps can be configured to align with specific business requirements. Configuration activities include defining system connections, configuring app-specific parameters, setting up authorization roles, and adapting app behavior to suit organizational needs. Customizing SAP UI5 Fiori apps. UI5 Fiori apps can be customized to meet specific business requirements. Customization activities include modifying UI elements, extending app functionalities, adapting app behavior, and incorporating custom branding. Extending SAP UI5 Fiori apps. SAP UI5 Fiori apps can be extended to incorporate additional functionalities and integrate with non-SAP systems. Extension options include adding custom fields, integrating external services, enhancing business logic, and developing custom UI components. SAP UI5 Fiori Security and Authorization. Security is a crucial aspect of SAP UI5 Fiori implementation. SAP UI5 Fiori leverages existing security mechanisms provided by the SAP system, such as user roles and authorizations. The SAP Gateway ensures secure communication between front-end and back-end systems, and user authentication can be implemented using various methods, such as SAML or SAP Single Sign-On, SSO. Integration with SAP backend systems. SAP UI5 Fiori integrates with SAP backend systems, such as SAP Business Suite or S/4HANA, to access and process business data. Integration is achieved through the SAP Gateway, which acts as the communication layer between the front-end UI5 Fiori apps and the backend systems. Monitoring and troubleshooting SAP UI5 Fiori. Monitoring and troubleshooting activities in SAP UI5 Fiori include monitoring system performance, identifying and resolving issues, analyzing logs and error messages, and ensuring system availability and stability. Tools like SAP Solution Manager and the SAP UI5 Fiori Launchpad Administration Cockpit aid in these activities. SAP UI5 Fiori Best Practices and Tips. Some best practices for SAP UI5 Fiori implementation include conducting user research and involvement, starting with a pilot project, providing training and support to users, adopting a user-centric design approach, and continuously monitoring and optimizing the UI5 Fiori environment. Future trends and developments in SAP UI5 Fiori. The future of SAP UI5 Fiori is likely to include advancements in technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and natural language processing, NLP, to enhance the user experience and provide intelligent insights. Integration with emerging technologies, such as Internet of Things, IoT, and blockchain, may also play a significant role in extending UI5 Fiori capabilities. Case studies: successful SAP UI5 Fiori implementations. There are numerous successful SAP UI5 Fiori implementations across various industries, showcasing improved user productivity, enhanced user experience, and streamlined business processes. Case studies highlight the benefits and challenges faced during UI5 Fiori projects, providing valuable insights for organizations planning to adopt UI5 Fiori. SAP UI5 Fiori training and certification opportunities. SAP offers training and certification programs for UI5 Fiori, providing individuals with the knowledge and skills required to implement, configure, and develop UI5 Fiori apps. Training courses cover topics like UI5 Fiori design principles, app development, administration, and integration. Conclusion and next steps. SAP UI5 Fiori revolutionized the user experience of SAP applications by providing a modern and intuitive interface. Its benefits include enhanced productivity, simplified processes, mobile access, and personalization. Understanding the UI5 Fiori architecture, key components, and implementation approaches is crucial for successful UI5 Fiori projects. Organizations can leverage UI5 Fiori to improve user satisfaction, increase productivity, and drive digital transformation. Glossary of SAP UI5 Fiori terms. 1. UI5 Fiori apps. Individual applications that provide specific functionality and a consistent user experience. 2. UI5 Fiori Launchpad. The central entry point for UI5 Fiori apps, offering a role-based and customizable interface. 3. SAP Gateway. The middleware component that connects the front-end Fiori apps to the back-end SAP systems. 4. SAP UI5. The UI development toolkit is used to build UI5 Fiori apps. 5. Transactional apps. UI5 Fiori apps that enable users to perform specific business transactions. 6. Analytical apps. UI5 Fiori apps provide real-time insights and analytics based on data from the backend systems. 7. Factsheet apps. UI5 Fiori apps consolidate relevant information from multiple sources and present it in a comprehensive format. 8. Co-deployment. An implementation approach that involves deploying selected UI5 Fiori apps alongside existing SAP systems. 9. System conversion. An implementation approach that includes migrating to SAP S/4HANA and activating UI5 Fiori apps as part of the migration process. 10. SAP Solution Manager. A tool provided by SAP for managing and monitoring SAP systems. Why do we choose SAP UI5 Fiori Online Training by Proexcellency? Choosing SAP UI5 Fiori Online Training by Proexcellency can offer several advantages. Here are some reasons why you may consider selecting their training. Expert trainers. Proexcellency likely provides training conducted by experienced and certified trainers who have extensive knowledge of SAP UI5 Fiori. These trainers can offer valuable insights, best practices, and real-world examples during the training sessions. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training program is likely to cover the entire spectrum of SAP UI5 Fiori, including architecture, design principles, app types, customization, security, integration, troubleshooting, and more. A well-rounded curriculum ensures that you gain a thorough understanding of SAP UI5 Fiori concepts and practical skills. Certification preparation. Proexcellency's training may prepare you for SAP UI5 Fiori certification exams. They may offer guidance and resources to help you understand the exam requirements, topics, and format, increasing your chances of passing the certification and validating your skills. Post-training support. After completing the training, Proexcellency may offer post-training support, such as access to discussion forums, Q&A sessions, or additional resources. This support can help you clarify any doubts or reinforce your understanding of SAP UI5 Fiori concepts. Reputation and reviews. Before choosing any training provider, it's advisable to research their reputation and read reviews from past participants. Look for positive feedback, testimonials, or success stories related to Proexcellency's SAP UI5 Fiori training to ensure they have a track record of delivering quality training. Contact now. +9 18722079509 or mail at info@proexcellency.com. often@proexcellency.com. Thank you.